Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sang Kim. In the previous video, I showed you how to calculate Spearman's rule, Spearman correlation. And in this video, I wanted to show you how to calculate Pearson's correlation. This is says documentation to explain about Pearson's correlation coefficient. And this is the formula. Once I uploaded my previous video, I have noticed that there is more difference in terms of Spearman correlation coefficient. This is X output and this is R output. As you can see, there's more difference, right? When we use this formula. And I try to understand Pearson's correlation coefficient and Spearman rank order correlation from sales documents. As you can see, these are very similar each other. So I want you to calculate correlation coefficient by using this formula. Again, this one. So I was able to get this correlation coefficient, and this is same as Spearman rule coefficient. Anyway, in this video, let's try to focus on how to calculate this correlation coefficient. Right. Let's get row scores and column scores by using this formula. So again, first marginal sum plus 1 divided by 2, and first row marginal sum plus second row marginal sum plus and we can use sum function and fix first row and divide by 2. You can apply this formula for other cells. And again, column scores. First column marginal sum plus 1 divided by 2. Second column marginal sum plus 1 divided by 2, and we can use the sum function. Fix first column plus, so the column marginal sum plus 1 divided by 2. Okay, and this is row scores and column scores, and we need to calculate this average row scores and average column scores. So we can consider this formula. So we can use sum product of marginal sum, row marginal sum, comma, and row scores, and divide by total counts, and average column score, also sum product of this one, comma, and this one, and divide by and total counts. Right. Then Nij cell counts can be calculated by using offset function. Fix reference here, and comma, row number, comma, column number. Okay. And SSR can be calculated by Nij times we look up comma A, comma first, minus this one. and square. And SSC and IJ, and this formula again, times H lookup value, comma 8, first minus this one and square. Okay. And SSRC, this one, comma, we look up again, lookup value here, comma, lookup table, press F4, comma 8, first, minus, average row score, times H lookup value here, comma, lookup table, comma 8, minus column score, average column score. Okay, and we can apply this formula for other cells. And SSR is sum of this one. And SSC is sum of column T. SSRC sum of column U. Okay, and correlation coefficients can be calculated by using this formula, divided by square roots of SSR times SSC. Right, this is same as Spearman rule, and but when we use this formula, we are able to get this correlation coefficients, and the same as Spearman rule correlation. So still, I need to understand more about Spearman rule and Pearson's correlation. So actually, I expected to get Pearson's correlation when I use this formula. However, this is same as Spearman rule correlation coefficient. So I will try to upload more videos to clearly understand this formula. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.